In the mystical Asteria region, where the night sky glows with blue lights, a forgotten legend is about to rise again. Rion, a 13-year-old boy with a courageous heart, always dreamed of becoming a true Pokemon guardian. But he never had a Pokemon of his own, until one night, everything changed. A bright blue meteor crashed in front of him, lighting up the entire forest. From the glowing light, a small, injured mythical Pokemon appeared, Sparkuff, the creature of celestial flames. But where light exists, darkness always follows. Draven, the ruthless shadow hunter, seeks Sparkuff's ancient power to control the entire Asteria region. Now Rion must rise, protect Sparkuff, and unlock the true power hidden within Asteria. Together, they will face danger, battle darkness, and discover their true destiny.